In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide the tabs and the URL bar in Google Chrome without going full screen. This is really useful if you want a cleaner, more focused browsing experience, or you just want a bit more space on your screen without losing access to your taskbar or other apps. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure it's the active window on your screen. What we're going to do is use a special viewing mode often called presentation mode, or kiosk-style mode, which hides the top browser interface while still keeping your operating system visible. Start by opening the website or web app you want to focus on. It could be a document, a dashboard, a video, or anything you want to see without the distraction of tabs and the address bar. Once the page is fully loaded, look toward the top right corner of Chrome, where you normally see the 3 vertical dots that open the main menu. Click those 3 dots to open the Chrome menu. From here, look for the Zoom or More Tools options depending on your version of Chrome and system. Some setups provide a presentation mode or toggle UI style option through system integration or certain extensions. When you enable this mode, Chrome will remove the tab strip and the URL bar from view, leaving just the content area. Importantly, this is not the same as full screen. Your system taskbar or dock will still be accessible, and you can still use other windows. If your Chrome or system doesn't show a built-in option, you may be using a setup where this behavior is controlled by a specific environment or extension. In that case, the toggle will usually be available through a simple keyboard shortcut or a small icon installed near the address bar. Clicking that toggle hides the top browser Chrome while keeping the rest of your desktop visible. To interact with hidden tabs or the URL bar again, simply move your mouse pointer to the very top edge of the screen. In many setups, the interface will slide back down temporarily so you can switch tabs, type a new address, or manage your browsing. Once you move away, the bars often hide themselves automatically, keeping your workspace clean. When you're done and want everything back permanently, use the same menu option, extension button, or keyboard shortcut you used earlier to turn the mode off. Your tabs and URL bar will fully reappear, and Chrome will behave just like normal. That's all you need to hide and unhide your tabs and URL bar in Chrome without going fully full screen.